Illinois District number 1 in the second slot, 51 to 9, a Porter, your qualifier to semi. 57 is the motor on the track right now, got them out. Mikey Hayek doing it for Domino's Pizza, in control of this one. Hayek has got Luna right there in the second slot. Hayek and Luna bringing it home. It'll be the 4 of Hayek, your qualifier. 58 is the motor on the track right now.
Okay, riders, set them up.
Number 1 in the lead, doing it out front right now. Corky Gainsford in hot pursuit. It's Lee and Gainsford. Lee and Gainsford. Lee and Gainsford out of the final turn, getting on the gas, coming to the line. It'll be the one rider at the...
Riders ready? Watch the light.
And Delgado. Come on, John.
Gates down in motor number 61. Spanky Frank Delgado in control of this one. Inside move being made by the 8 of Rana.
Okay, riders.
Delgado dodging a bullet all around him as Briscoe making the inside move. Rana coming back on the outside. It's Delgado, Briscoe, Rana, and the 27 of Otis Benson. Into turn number 5 they come. Still Delgado doing it for Factory in the second spot. It's Hammett, Milford. Hammett, Milford, 1 and 2, sneaking a peek, putting the power down. It'll be the one rider at the line. Hammett hanging on to it, getting the transfer slot. 64 is the motor on the track right now.
Okay, riders.
58 rider, Danny Nilsson. Factory Robinson rider, bringing it out.